Yeah, that's a big transformer. Yeah, right there. What's that right there?
What's that? What's that?
So the fuses, right?
Yeah, fuses. Yes, they do. They do have.
There it is.
Okay, please keep your hands off, guys. This is supposed to be, thank you. This is supposed to be a no-no. I'm not supposed to expose you guys to 480 volts. But since it is offline, and if you can promise to keep your hands off, I'll show you what we have in there. So if you guys want to walk by and take a look at it, you can see the computers on what it makes this thing tick.
So those are starters. Those are all starters.
Yes, yes, they're all max starters.
Yeah, like 3 transformers. These are all little switches, all little circuit breakers.
Yes, what this does, it's checking it.
Yeah.
If you notice, this is a reset.
Recess right here.
That means for each one of all those transformers.
So what are these right here?
Those are the max starters.
Max starter?
Yes,
So you got a couple contactors over there.
yes.
Excuse me, what is the low voltage on this? 120 volts?
No, they use 24 volts and they use a lot of DC voltage
Oh,
for
okay.
the computers.
So it's just 24 volts for secondary?
Yes. Now, I don't know if you guys have gone through what is a partial start winding or a partial start compressor. Now, these compressors are partial start. Now, the reason mainly why in the industry is use a partial start compressor is because if we would have a single max starter to start this compressor, that max starter will probably be this big because of the amount of amperage that it uses. So what it does, if you notice, you have these two things going into the same compressor. Now, if you would hear this thing and see it start, you'll see that it go pop, pop. What it does, one of these max starters sends power to the compressor and it kind of get it, and then the other one comes in and it gives them a final push and it starts. But it's mainly used for the size of amperage wise of the compressors. So these units are partial start.
There's not a surge.
Yes. So eventually, if you guys do continue in the trade, you will hear it. They go bam, bam, and it starts. There go one right after the other, and it is applying electricity to the same line. But that's what they call a partial start. Anyway, let me move out of the way, guys. If you guys want to go by and take a look at it. This is a kind of a rare opportunity because since the compressor of the unit is offline,
Like 4 boards.
I can show you guys
One,
the.
two, three.
If you guys want to
Right there,
go by,
what's that? Like was that like a relay or something? No, that. Huh, Scott? Right there, that right there. What's that? Like some type of relay or something? Yeah. And you got another board right there. You got the terminal block, 2 contactor, and 3 of them transformer. So the max starter. Right, yeah, these 6
Mag starters.
mag starters.
Where there are 6? There's 6 stages or something like that?
Alright.
It's crazy.
You got everything? Scott?
Yeah.
Good. Look, what's that? You got everything, Scott?
Yeah.
I was trying to get you in there so you can get everything. That way you can